Hi everyone. Now I will present Australia energy portfolio. First, I will make a overview of the current energy situation in Australia and its future development. Second, I will showcase the current challenges and the potential opportunity and evaluate it for the future. In addition, I will also make a brief analysis of the two reports on Australia's energy portfolio. Finally, I will make a reflection for the course. The first is a table. First failure still account for the majority of energy supply and it make up over 16% of the total. However, we can also find the sustainable energy source have diversified and developed, especially wind and solar power. The current situation, and this is the current situation about the consumption by sectors and energy source. So from this chart and slide 2, it can be seen that oil is used in almost industry. Yeah, here and blue, almost industry. The transportation consumes the most. The manufacturing and the mining industry and the manufacturing industry comes the same amount of 4 types, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 types of energy. The residents and the commercials mainly utilize the electric, while the usage in other sectors is relatively lower. Yes, such as others, water and waste. So, for the future, based on the energy situation of Australia current, the following is the energy portfolio in 2015. We also found the future energy mix where bioenergy in new renewable source, but solar and wind will lead, and the energy storage will be critical. For example, solar thermal panel and photovoltaic panel is common used because they have 80% and 20% conversion efficiency. Respectively, it will be widely applied. But the current technology of wind power still have potential for future developed. From this picture, we can know the deep water over 16 meters and still only demonstrations. Next example is pump hydro. This is the example. Snow 2.0 pump. The Snow Hydro is this project. This project is we can it has multiple positive impact. It can impact now. Here we speak from three point. First is it impacts 3 million homes over the course of work. Next is it it can provide approximately 13 315,000 megawatt hours, and finally, and the last is it can also provide more than 4,000 direct job directly. So for in the future, Australia also face some challenges and opportunities. On the one hand, the transformation of the fossil energy industry structure poses systematic difficulties. Alongside the maturity and cost barrier associated with large-scale hydro energy technologies. Additionally, grid integration challenges for variable renewable. On the other hand, Australia's advantages on abundance wind and solar resources, which comes with global customer advantages. Furthermore, strong government support and funding mechanism provide a foundation for renewable energy development. The widespread public adoption of rooftop solar also societal accept solutions. Next is compares to report. Report 10 present a relatively concentrated energy portfolios, primarily consisting of wind and solar energy, which together account for over 18%, with energy being the demand source. In contrast, report 14.6 features a more diversified mix, incorporating not only wind and solar but also hydroelectric, bioenergy, and waste energy, indicating a strong emphasis on energy industry and energy diversity and technological integration. And for two report is I also give some feedback. Report 10, it has strengths in cloud basic frameworks focus on key portfolio content and identified strong straight, but it has some weakness in lake qualification and limited use of data feature spread station and lakes policy connections. For the report 46 it's my mistake. 46. it have some strengths. Strength point is rich data figure compared with report 10 and diagrams, and have extensive qualitative analysis and align with the existing policy. But it also has some weakness point like limited social aspect and lack external variable factors. Next is my reflection for this course. From this course, I first learned about the current development status and the structures of the world sustainable energies. Wind energy and solar energy still the main sources. Based on the condition, again, a deeper understanding of Australia's energy situation and explore its future development from the energy trilemma in Australia. It can be seen that the store for energy quite was as high as 96.7. However, the score for energy security was only 66.6, and the score for environmental sustainable was 64.4. Therefore, the future development of Australia's energy should pay more attention to energy diversification and the transition to low carbon energy sources. Thank you. That's all of my presentation.